y'all, my name is Kaylee Sincera. I'm going to be making videos on how to use Python. I'm not going to be showing you how to program, so hopefully you have a little bit of experience, but I will be showing you how to use Python on a Mac, and I'd like everyone to know that I only have experience with MATLAB, so just bear with me. This is my summer research, and I really hope these videos will be helpful to people who want to learn how to use Python, especially industrial engineers, since we don't teach Python at Clemson. Yeah, so I hope these videos are helpful to you. The first thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to download Python on a Mac, and also how to download Pip, which is a package installer. So the first thing you want to do is just go to the Python website. Go to downloads. Yeah, so you want to click download Python for a Mac. Again, I'm only doing this for Mac users. Click on it, continue, agree, install. You want to type in your password. Installation is pretty simple. So once you have that installed, you want to open up Finder, and you want to find the folder, the Python folder, and double click on idle. And so what's going to pop up is the Python shell. That's where you're going to run your modules. So maybe the first thing you want to do is just start a new file. We can say print hello world, just to make sure it's working. You want to save that before you can run it. Then you're going to go to run module. And yeah, you can see it prints it in the shell, so you know that Python was installed properly. So the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to download Pip. And again, that is a package installer. So we're just going to go to, you're just going to want to type this in your search bar, pip.pypa.io. Yeah, just copy this exactly, and then you're going to go to install right here. Just click on this download. It's going to come up with this, and then it should show up in your Finder now. So let's see. So just type in get-pip in Finder, and this is what should come up. So hopefully you see this if you downloaded it. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on your terminal, not the Python shell. You're going to type in curl, then you're just going to want to type in, you can just copy this, copy the website we were just on, and then you want to type in get-pip.py, again, enter. Do this, and then the last thing you're going to type is sudo python get-pip.py. Type in your password. Oh. All right. And it's installed. So the next thing I'm going to show you, or the last thing I'm going to show in this video, we're just going to download 3 packages that are going to be useful in my videos. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more that we're going to download later on, but these are just the first 3 that are going to be important. So to use pip to install packages, you want to say, where are my notes? you want to just say pip. You can say pip3 or pip. You can say pip3 if you have downloaded Python 3, but pip is just a link to pip3, so it's going to work the same. I'm just going to say pip3 install. We're going to do, first one we're going to do is matplotlib, and that is for numerical plotting. So you just hit enter. It's going to download. Oh yeah, and it worked. I already have that downloaded actually. Let's do another one. We're going to do NumPy. This is really useful for multi-dimensional arrays or matrices. This is a really big one. We're definitely going to be using this a lot. And then the last one we are going to do is pulp. I guess that's how you say it. Pip3 install pulp. And this is going to be useful when we're doing linear programming. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys and that you were able to download Python and Pip and able to understand how to install packages using Pip. And my next video is going to be a tutorial on arrays, matrices, lists, and just some very, very basic stuff in Python. And yeah, I hope that if you'd like to learn more about Python, you'll keep watching my videos. Thanks.